Hello, my students. Today is my first class and online, so I don't know how the things will go away. So this is quite um, interesting that how I'm going to teach you about how to do things like ELI-CSS and other things. So let's get started. So you find here like there is a page here. If I'll tell you like how it is made, and it's quite different. Okay, we have done some changes. We are making LE-CSS plus plus, or you can say LE plus plus. Okay, so here's the logo which we have designed for the LE plus plus. Yeah, so here is what we are going to learn today. You see this LE-CSS plus LE-PHP framework together. Okay, so let's get started. Now how I have done this. Just write HTML, whatever you want to give the name. Okay, or say like this. Okay, so here we include few things like le.css, and here we will include JavaScript le.js. That's all. Yeah, if you want to have a your own like style sheet and all that, you can have here. I name it I demo for myself. You can have a master.css or style.css, whatever you want for your own programming. Okay, don't mix your programming with LE-CSS files. Okay, next let's start like what we are going to make today. uh, we are going to make this one. Okay, looks quite simple, but then let's see how we do it. Okay, this is the same page we have refreshed. Nothing is there anymore, so let's go ahead with this. So we just go for section. In this section, because we understand that there is a grid, so we'll just make G for grid, G1, G G2, because we need to have two different grids, 1 and 2, like that. So G2. So to find out like it works or not, like we just go for div. One div will make, we name it LE. Okay, and another div we will make, which will name it as docs. Okay, got it. So how it looks, you see, so it looks like this. So that we have h1 heading tag, so let's go with head h1. Okay, it's like biggest one, so it becomes like this. Now we make sure that everything is um, you know center, so you can do like t align c means t align center, so it becomes like this, center. You can also write text align center, but then t stands good. Okay, so here it is, both are centered. Now this much you all known about, like pardon my language, pardon my forgetting skills. So this much you already knew it. So we'll move forward, and I'll tell you something. Here we have mentioned many colors. Okay, like many colors means many colors. Yeah. So let's say red. Just write in the class and see what will happen. Yeah. You see, what about if we do want to do that white the white color for this one, because black doesn't look nice for this. So just what you need to do is write white text and see what happens. Wow, LE becomes this text becomes white and the border becomes red. Okay, now what else? Like, what if like this color below more lighter? Okay, so let's go with this something lighter. So just write light 10 1, so becomes little lighter. Number 2, see, more lighter. So 3, more lighter. Number 4, more lighter. So basically this white is same, the what is lightning is that color. I'll just show you like this. You see now, if I make it 3, say 2, 1, and then color with white. Okay, so looks fine, right? Okay, let's go move forward. um okay, what I understand, like, it's okay, I should not have demo CSS here. See, that looks good, because you I don't want you all to get trouble on what we are doing. So just have like style number, we didn't do anything. See, body and all, that's pretty fine, everything. Okay, next we'll go for, so we'll go for rocks. Okay, so in rocks, which color you want? Let's say this black. Oh, I cannot see anymore the rocks part. So let's make it rectangles. See, but then this red looks very like it's coming more visible. We need to make it a little lighter to this. So just do like this. Text lighten 2. Okay, so see the text also becomes light. Fine, this is fine for you all. Okay, let's go forward. If what if like we want to darken this whole thing, we'll just go for it. It becomes dark. 2, yeah, see, it's going more dark and dark and darker and dark. So let's make it this one also. Darken. Okay, so darken is like 2. Okay, fine, this is darken. Same colors. What if like white? Animate first white. Let's go for white. Yeah, what if you must be thinking, what if like we make this whole section only as some color, like say green? Nothing happens. Why? Because already there is no room for another color. If you make this one normal, like nothing is transferred, so you can see the other colors as the same, the green of the body. Okay, okay, fine. So just go for white again. We want to screen. That's good, looks good. Okay, forward more. Okay, so here we'll just go for one more div. if we write anything, remember it's like let's do, see it's coming in the left side because it's already in the grid system, like it will take it everything into system like G to grids. So we have to make another section regarding that. So just make section again. See, and here we'll just give G for grid, G2 or no, G1. Okay, and then here we'll go for one div, and the div name will be like same thing again, G1. Okay, and there will be like H2, and here we will name it as, let's say, something like numbers, UI kits. Okay, so how it looks, see, okay, it looks like this. We need to have some borders. What do you say? Not quite border. Let's say like this. Border dashed. Oh, wow. See, the border is there. Do thicker border. Let's go 3. Yeah. See, till now I haven't done any coloring section, like what color you should put in the water, like with this one only. It's, actually we can do it, but and then like de-align center. Remember the FC also works the same. Okay, so here it is. He must be asking like, don't you think that it should be go little less, little down? Yeah, fine now. Then for that, like for that purpose, I have allowed that everything be in this grid system, like in this your own. So I don't want to I don't want to destroy the, you know, um, the UI or the design style of anything. I just want it to be more easy and less limitations. So it should not be limit for anything. You can anytime you can you can do your own stuff, like now section margin top 1 year. So see, everything goes fine. Got it. So if you want it to be like everywhere, left right everywhere, so see, that's fine. This is coming differently, so let's go ahead and give some other color to it. Yellow. Okay, and here like black. With black there is no text tracking. It's only, yeah. You must be asking, thinking that how does we know that which color to go with what? Like what is the color name? So in that case, we have something. Let's see this. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. So this I made before, and Max, my student, knows about it. Okay. So he came to class that day. Okay, so fine. So this here's the colors, and sees everything is mentioned, like which color do you like, and you use this method. You will also know the hex value of that particular color, so no need to worry for that. You see, and this, yeah, this is a responsive, so see when you go like this, yeah, see now it became 3, now more small, it became 4. So clean. See this? So okay, fine. So you can go for it. Like there's so much colors, and the black, white, and transparent also is there. If you don't give it's transparent automatically. Hmm. So yeah, this is the thing, and we'll be doing more on it later on. This is a part one. So let's. I think it's easy for you all to understand this. Hope so. For grid gaps and all these things, you can do by yourself, like with styling or styles. Okay, so I think that will be fine. Otherwise, you can always give a grid gap 0.5 EM or something like that. And, it separates whatever you want. So why I haven't done all this, because I don't want things to go a little more crazy on this. Like there is always a designer instinct which works, and I wanted you all to use those designer instincts. Okay, so yeah, so this is the one. So let's LE rocks, LE plus plus. Let's better change the name from LE to LE plus plus. Okay, so this is LE plus plus rocks. Soon you will get a GitHub account also in this case. Okay, what if like if you put in like, so it should be go down. Okay, let's it right. So yeah, in G2, let's say L2. Okay, in small it should go S1, then smaller. Okay, now let's see, try this. See, let's go skirt. Good, easy to manage, right? What do you want then? Okay, we'll make some UI logins and registrations, and we'll show you immediately like how to do things. And yeah, so I don't want others to like get freaking out or anything. Maybe the next class will be on how we will make a login screen and the working login screen, but before that we'll make a registration. Okay, got it? Okay, take care then.